if your vehicle is showing a P0299 code. In this video, I'll explain what it means, what can cause it, and how you can go about fixing it. What is a P0299 code? It stands for Turbo or Supercharger Underboost condition. In simple terms, this means the engine isn't getting as much boost as the computer expects. Many vehicles today use a turbocharger to increase airflow into the engine. The way it works is that exhaust gases spin the turbo, which in turn pulls in and compresses more air. Since compressed air gets hotter and denser, it's routed through an intercooler, similar to a radiator, where it's cooled down before entering the intake. By using a turbo, manufacturers can get more power out of smaller engines by pushing in extra air and fuel. An important part of this system is the wastegate, which helps regulate turbo speed by diverting excess exhaust gases around the turbo and straight out the exhaust. This keeps the turbo from overspinning. Different vehicles can have slightly different setups, but that's the basic idea. Possible causes of a P0299 code. One common issue is an intake air restriction, something as simple as a clogged or dirty air filter. If airflow is blocked before it even reaches the turbo, the engine won't make the boost it should. Always check the air filter first and make sure it's clean and in good shape. Another common cause of this code is a faulty wastegate. Inside the turbo, there are essentially two paths for exhaust gases. One goes through the turbo to spin it, and the other goes through the wastegate, which opens or closes to control how fast the turbo spins. If the wastegate gets stuck open or closed, it can prevent the turbo from building the proper boost. The part that controls this is called the Wastegate Actuator. Its job is simple. It pushes on a lever to open or close the wastegate. A malfunctioning actuator is a very common reason for this code, and usually the solution is simply to replace it. So another item to check is the wastegate and its actuator. Another possible cause is bad hose connections. This is especially true for the hoses connected to the intercooler. Over time, these connections can loosen, wear out, or start leaking, which allows boost pressure to escape. If that happens, the engine won't make the power it should. Also, keep in mind that problems with the intercooler itself, like leaks, blockages, or internal damage, can cause the same symptoms. And don't forget to check for any other vacuum or intake hoses that might be cracked, loose, or leaking, including around the PCV system. Any air leak in the intake path can cause underboost and trigger the P0299 code. Another thing that can cause this problem is an air intake leak. All of the air entering the engine should pass through the turbo and then into the throttle body. But if extra air is sneaking in somewhere else, through a cracked hose, a leaking gasket, or even a faulty PCV valve, it can throw the system off and cause underboost issues. So it's important to check for any leaks in the intake system. The last possible cause on the list is a bad sensor. Depending on the vehicle, this could be the mass airflow sensor, the manifold absolute pressure sensor, or even a boost pressure sensor. Different vehicles use different setups. Some use one, others use both. Usually if a sensor has failed, you'll also see another code, like a P0101. So be sure to check for additional codes when diagnosing. So that's basically it. If you have anything to add, drop a comment down below. If this video was useful, please hit like, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.